Okay, either hand. All right, go ahead and put those on, and then you can join this line, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I was like, we're ready for this.
Switch! Switch! Let the games begin!
How you release the back button here, you hold it down, and then you pull it apart. Yep, there you go. And then just put it back in.
Yeah, the color on the outside. Exactly, it matches. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Positioning upstairs, very short. So if you go ahead and finish up those last races on Mario Kart, bro.
Thank you.
But don't worry.
Good morning, good
Good
morning.
morning.
Welcome to the Nintendo Switch 2 Experience New York City. Give it up for yourselves.
Doing good, thank you.
My name is Rachel. I'll be helping demo Mario Kart World exclusively on the Nintendo Switch 2 system.
What place you got in your race? 1, 2, 3. Not all of you can be first. All right, here in just a second, we're going to do something very exciting. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, and we're going to take a step forward.
Here is going to be playing one Mario Kart game with 24 different players.
I is going to be for your dashing. CR is going to be for your specific thing. So for Mio, you're going to be using it to use your sword. Nice. There you go.
All right.
Have it up a little bit higher.